Good morning, friends. It's a beautiful morning out here on our little homestead. The sun is about to come up, and I decide to show you guys how beautiful and lovely it is. So, in this video, we will be planting seeds. So, let's get to it. Did you put them?
Yes, hold on.
You did the wallflower.
You have to put it in and it has to have lots and lots of sun. I'm gonna open this one, Mommy.
Okay, open it.
Whoa.
Let me help you. So let me help. Open your hands.
They look like worms.
Whoops, sorry. Okay, stop them. Here,
Worms.
put them here.
Worms. Mom.
Put them over.
Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Sma-ba-dum. And what's the last one? Oh yeah.
Oh, we're gonna do this one up.
Look, there's two more.
Okay. Oh, these all planted. Okay, do this one.
Can I put this one in
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Yay! I want to see it. Mom, stop.
Let me put it in your hands for you. Open your hand.
What do you want to do? Oh, they look like little cranberries. This is a big pot.
Put them all over.
So you like chocolate chips. Oh, there's one down. Oh, Mom, look.
Okay, that's it.
Yes. But we
Which is that one? This one is that one. You have to put the
Mom,
label.
there's still two. There's still three more.
So this year, I decided to start my seeds really early indoors. I actually started to plant my seeds in February, the end of February. So I have good, strong seedlings that is ready to go out there, and they're not going to be so easily affected by any kind of cold weather. So I wanted them to grow up really big, and so that's why I decided to start early. And then I'm going to harden them out for a week at least instead of 2 weeks, because when they're bigger and stronger, they don't need as much hardening as when they're kind of smaller. So that's my strategy for this season. Also, as you can see, I'm doing my plants indoors in my living room because my soil is outside in the shed and the shed door is frozen shut with ice. So until it is thawed out, I have no way of getting my seeds, neither am I able to access the shed. So, you know me, I'm a DIY person. I had to go get a tarp, put it down in the living room, and start my seeds. Because, starting seeds on the table can sometimes cause a lot of mess on the table and soil everywhere. But this works perfectly for me. This year also, I am trying a new method of how I am doing my seeds. Usually I have my compost and I have some coconut coir or some peat moss that I mix in with my compost, and I start my seeds. But like I said, my growing media is stuck in the shed, so I can't get it. But I went to Walmart and I found just a plain sterilized potting soil, and I decided to use this instead. And I added some of my warm compost because I have worms inside in a bin, and so I use a little bit of that compost. Actually, they are mealworms, and I use some of that compost, mealworm vermicompost, and I add it to this soil, that I'm growing my seeds in. So I'm doing something different. And actually, I must say, this is actually working really well because I put some seeds to germinate 2 weeks before and they germinated in 1 week. And the package said they should germinate in 7 to 10 days, but they germinate before 7 days. So I think I kind of like this method, and I may just pick up a couple of bags and just save them for just doing my seeds because the soil is a very fluffy and I like it. So, my friends, what kind of seeds are you planting this year? Are you trying new varieties of seeds, or are you just doing the same old seeds that you plant every single year because you are comfortable with them? Well, this year I am trying quite a large variety of seeds that I've never tried before. Wish me luck as I go there and putter around my garden as soon as all this snow is melted because I'm really, really excited for spring. So happy gardening, all my friends. So in these pots, as you see me planting here, are some coffee. So I was out shopping and I came across some coffee seedlings. Yoo-hoo! I'm so excited. I don't drink coffee, but when I was a kid, we grew coffee back home. And so I'm trying these coffee seedlings to see if they're gonna come out to be anything good. And here are all the seeds. They're all planted and under the light and ready to germinate and become beautiful seedlings, which is going to produce lots of food for me and my family this year.